Hi, my name is Whitney Uze, personal trainer here at the LSU UREC, and this is your Monday move. Today we're going to be looking at the Kinesis wall so that you can add it to your workout regimen. The Kinesis wall provides a 360-degree full body workout. Today we are going to show you two exercises, the double overhead press and a weighted lunge. For the double overhead press, you want to start with your feet shoulder width apart with a slight bend in your knee. Reach down and grab those handles, press overhead, and be sure to control on your way down. And now for the lunge, you want to start with your feet staggered in a lunge position, and you're going to load the resistance by grabbing the handles. And now as you're going down in that lunge position, be sure to keep that back knee bent and press up through your front heel. Again, my name is Whitney Uze, personal trainer here at the LSU UREC, and that was your Monday move.